name is Lucy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Unit 8, Lesson 4. Let's review everything that has to do with nature. Let's go. We have letter Z. Z sound.
Z is for zebra.
Zebra. Again.
Zebra.
Zebra. Last time.
Zebra.
Zebra. Great job. Z is for zigzag. Here we go.
Zigzag.
Zigzag. Last time.
Zigzag.
Zigzag. Very good. Here we go.
Sun.
Sun.
Moon.
Moon.
Rain.
Rain.
Clouds.
Clouds.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Stars.
Stars. Good job.
I see the sun.
I see the sun.
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
I see the clouds.
I see the clouds.
I see the rain.
I see the rain.
I see the rainbow.
I see the rainbow.
I see the stars.
I see the stars. Very good. Here we go.
What do you see in the sky?
What do you see in the sky?
I see the sun.
I see the sun.
What do you see in the sky?
What do you see in the sky?
I see the moon.
I see the moon.
What do you see in the sky?
What do you see in the sky?
I see the rain.
I see the rain.
What do you see in the sky?
What do you see in the sky?
I see a cloud.
I see the clouds.
What do you see in the sky?
What do you see in the sky?
I see a rainbow.
I see the rainbow.
What do you see in the sky?